everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today's just going to be my 1 month weight loss update, and I really wish I could sit here and be excited for it, but I'm definitely anything but excited to do this. If you guys missed my initial post on starting my weight loss journey, I will have it linked down below for you guys, as well as my weight loss playlist, and this is just going to be my month 1 recap. So without further ado, let's get started. So it's been a full month since I started my weight loss journey, and in this month, instead of losing weight, I have just gained weight, but then I lost it. So right now I'm still at my starting weight. I may be 1 pound over or a pound less. I haven't checked today and I don't feel the need to. I don't want to focus on just the scale part of everything and the numbers. And that is why I only do weigh-ins every week. And during the first 2 weeks, I noticed that I was gaining weight and not losing it, and I couldn't understand why. And then I realized, although I was eating healthier, I was eating bigger portions because I was still hungry. And then about halfway through week 2, I changed things up. I bought myself a food scale and some measuring cups. These ones are just silicone ones, and I have a 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, and 1 cup silicone measuring cups. And ever since getting these along with the food scale, I've definitely learned to portion my food, and I'm hoping that this next month I will be able to lose at least 5 pounds. One thing I do want to say is that although I did gain weight, I did end up losing it after I started using these. In month 1, I also finished my Skinny Mint Detox. It is a 28-day detox. I talked about it in my initial video. There's a daytime one that you drink every day for 28 days in a row, and then there is a night one that you drink every other night for 14 days. And I was hoping with everything in me that this would help me to slim down because of the things I've seen others post about it. However, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I didn't see a weight difference, but I will tell you that this wasn't for nothing because I was so much less bloated when I had this. And obviously products don't work the same for everyone, so although I didn't slim down much, I am super happy with the bloating results that I had, because that's another thing I noticed. I noticed through this month that I hold on to water a ton, and this definitely reduced that for me. Something else I tried, which is super interesting, is called the Right Cup. You may or may not have seen these. You can buy them on Amazon. I will have them linked down below, as well as every other product I have mentioned in this video. And so basically they are cups, and there's nothing in it whatsoever, and you put regular tap water in it, and when you drink it, it basically tricks your mind into thinking you're drinking something that is flavored. And so as someone with a huge soda craving, this has come in super handy, and it has helped me drink a ton more water. This one right here is peach, and it tastes like peach iced tea, and I noticed within the last week that the flavor is a lot stronger. This one is mixed berry, and this one is peach, like I said. And if you want to start drinking more tap water and you don't want to add anything to it, but you can't drink straight tap water because you don't like the flavor or that there is no flavor, I highly recommend checking these out. Like I said, I will have them linked down below for you guys. If you guys would like to learn more about these, let me know, because I can definitely do more videos with these. I also started doing something else, and that is taking more vitamins. I already took vitamin D every day because I do have a deficiency of it and have since I was younger. And both of these products are from the company Spring Valley. No, they are not sponsoring this. I bought these with my own money at Walmart. These ones right here are the Spring Valley Daily Vitamin Pack. They are the Active Woman Dietary Supplement one. And this box, I think, was around $10 to $15, and it comes with a 30-day supply. And you literally just get these little packets and you take one every morning, and just has a bunch of vitamins in it. It looks like a lot, but let me tell you, I have had so much more energy and I have felt so much better after taking these, and I've definitely noticed a difference. I'm actually on my 2nd box now, and it gives you a little chart up top on what the vitamins are. And on top of that, I have also found these. These are apple cider vinegar caplets. They are a dietary supplement. They are supposed to help a lot with digestion as well as fat burning, and I tried the whole apple cider vinegar with like lemon and water, and I couldn't do it. And so when I saw these, I decided to try it, and I've only actually been taking these for a few days. However, next month I will definitely let you know what I thought about these. What's really nice is that they don't have a funky taste to them at all. So that is my update for you guys. If you have any tips and tricks or words of wisdom for me, definitely leave them in the comments down below, because I could really use them. And hopefully next month will be a lot better. I am kind of down in the dumps about it. I mean, I know this whole process wouldn't be easy whatsoever, but I definitely didn't think I would gain weight, and that's exactly what happened. So this next month I am definitely cracking down, and I'm gonna be more diligent with myself, and I definitely want to focus more on the weight loss part of it. And if you guys would like to join me on this journey, then be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. I also upload new videos each week, and would love it if you would become part of the Allie Pack Squad. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!